On What's Brewing today, Perfios, a Bengaluru-based B2B software as a service company, has acquired financial crime management startup Clarify to accelerate growth. Now, the acquisition will help bolster Perfios' presence in India while supporting its expansion across the Middle East, North Africa and Southeast Asia. Founded in 2009, Perfios provides banking, financial services and insurance solutions across 18 countries. In 2024, an $80 million investment from Teachers Venture Growth pushed Perfios into unicorn status with a $1 billion valuation. Joining me now to discuss this is Sabyasachi Goswami, the CEO of Perfios. Sabyasachi, it's great to have you back on the show today with us. You know, you've acquired fraud detection platform Clarify. If you could sort of give us some clarity on the deal contours and the size of this deal?
Sure. Thanks, Arundhati, for having me here. First of all, let me tell you about the deal a bit. Fraudsters, as we know, keep evolving. And of course, so do we. So we are trying to usher in the new era of financial crime management. And with that in mind, we made this strategic decision to acquire Clarify, which itself is a leader in fraud management, risk intelligence, and anti-money laundering solution space. Now, crime is getting sophisticated, and so we are getting unstoppable. Now, what it means is, with Clarify's category-leading financial crime management platform, the banks and financial institutions need AI-driven real-time intelligence to stay ahead of these fraudsters. And we are actually weaponizing intelligence against crime. Now, coming to the deal size, it will be difficult to divulge the exact detail size currently, but of course, what we can share is that Clarify will continue to operate as a strong brand, retaining its identity and focus while benefiting from the scale and distribution and resources of Perfios. We warmly welcome the entire Clarify team, the exceptional group of innovators, actually, who has the expertise that have been built over years in the financial crime management solutions.
Right. So you've taken us through the rationale behind why, you acquired Clarify. But if you could sort of take us through how will Clarify help with your growth plans? And you mentioned the team. So what happens to the team at Clarify?
So as I said, let me answer the second part first. We really enjoy having the 200+ exceptional group of innovators whose expertise will be required while we build the co-creation and synergetic products together. Now, our playbook is simple: innovate, scale responsibility, and stay ahead of the game. Now, what it means is data without intelligence is really a noise, and intelligence without action is absolutely pointless. Now, what we figured out, today's market needs both of these at scale. And I think this was a beautiful marriage that could have happened to kind of address the real fraud and risk mitigation that the industry requires. And I think the traditional approach can only take us so far. So I think this was absolutely where we are much talking about AI. Perfios has invested heavily in R&D on AI as it is. So I think this coming together will make a lot of difference to the financial ecosystem that we'll see in the coming times.
Right. Like you pointed out, there is a rise with, digital payment frauds, right? And obviously the demand for solutions like yours are also on the rise. So if you could take us through your presence and by how much will Clarify also help boost your presence across the globe?
Yeah, so as you know, we operate with about 1,000+ customers, about 18 odd geographies. Clarify is present in 15 geographies also, which means they will complement to the markets that we are already present. What does this mean to the global customers that we both enjoy as our own set of customers that we both enjoy is kind of the exponential growth that as a company we will see, but more so I would say that the approach will be focused on more continuous innovation. And we'll see more market penetration, ensuring that the financial institutions worldwide are equipped to tackle this challenge. So it is not an India problem, it's a global problem for the fraud that we see.
Right.
And this will strengthen our product stack to power the entire end-to-end customer lifecycle of financial institutions across the BFSI industry. So it's not only for banks, it is for the entire BFSI industry.
Right, absolutely. And coming to Perfios' business, if you could take us through the kind of, revenues you're making and the targets you've set for yourself for 2025. And also, you've been planning an IPO. So what's happening on that front?
I must say that you guys always push us to disclose when are we doing IPO. I think it's just another milestone in the overall journey that we have taken. It has to happen when it will happen. You will come to know first from us. But for now, from a revenue perspective, I think we are seeing a steady growth. Last year, we achieved about 557 odd crores in revenue while doubling our international contribution to the top line. And I think international will give us more steady growth, and we'll see the overall contribution, hopefully, in the line of that we have been expecting.
So you're seeing steady growth. And, speaking about this acquisition and talking about steady growth, what are your inorganic growth plans? Are you looking to make more such acquisitions? And if you are, who are you in talks with? And are you well capitalized for these plans?
Okay. So lots cooking in the kitchen, always. And hopefully the tasty food will be delivered soon. That includes maybe organic innovations. We invest heavily in our R&D. So as a company, we invest double digit on R&D, which very clearly shows from the innovative products that we are launching. In next 2 months, you'll see roughly about 4 odd big products on the risk and mitigation side, on deepfake side, on AI in decisioning side, and also on an insurance platform side. So I think these are 4 areas that you will see a lot of R&D investment showing results out there from a commercial product launch. Having said that, obviously, we are always ready with open arms to see whether inorganic growth, if it supports our product lifecycle, if it meets the technology that we are investing in, and finally, if the culture fits. If all of this matches, why not?
So you're open to acquisitions. Why not if it makes sense to your company and to your business? All right, Sabyasachi, thank you so much for joining us on the show, and we wish you all the best on this journey going forward.
Thank you.